Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you secret codes available on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. I managed to find quite a bit of them, however not all of them are really that useful. In order to use the codes we need to open the phone app, and then we need to open the keypad, and then over here we need to enter special codes. So let's get right into it. The first code that I want to show you is asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag, and this one opens the email and serial number information. Another one that we can use is pretty similar, but instead of 06 we want to use 1234 and then end it with the hashtag. Over here we can find some information about the I believe firmware version. Now another one is once again pretty similar. This time we want to use 00 and 11, and this one opens some service mode where we can find some basic information and SIM information. So if we go into SIM, then over here we'll find some information about that. Another one is 0808, and this one has USB settings. So over here we can manage some settings. Another one is a little bit longer. It's 2683662, and then end it with the hashtag. Over here we have another service mode. However, I cannot really find anything useful over here. Keep in mind that in those service modes we have these three dots over here in the top right corner where we can navigate and do some other stuff. Now maybe you can find something useful in them. Another one is 9090, and this one is completely empty. And we also have 9900, where we have sysdump. We have lots of options over here. We can reset battery stats, I suppose, and so on and so forth. So you can go through these options to see what they do. And another one is, and the last one actually, is a little bit longer. So this time we need to type 12580 asterisk 369 hashtag. And we have some more information about some versions. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!